sticker. And if you want one of these books, tell your mom. And this is from my mom. And we got lots of books of one of these. Just come here. Now we're gonna make a basket. And we can show you one of those. We can make the basket. This is brown. This is this insider. This is Misty Moonlight. Just Hide. A Chainsaw Man. Bumblebee. My favorite is all of them. This is the Bumblebee is my favorite. Magenta's my favorite, the favorite color. Jade is my favorite one. Midnight is my favorite. And Cinnamon is my favorite. And we got some stickers here. And these are the stickers look like. And look at this. They look so pretty. Okay. Don't lose these stickers. If you have one of these stuff, all of these stuff you got on my hand, I'll show you. Okay. If you want to put on your ears, these are stamps. If you want to stamp them on your basket. If you want to have one of these like the stamps. If it if you got this sign like this, if you got sticky, if you want to, you can. And this is something else. Where is it? It's this. You can make anything you want. These are flowers. Lots and lots of flowers. These are ribbons. Do you like these ribbons? Do you got one of these ribbons? We like all of them. The white one, the glitter one, and the stripes one. Okay, we have a gold one. You see the part inside. You see that bandage one? Does it look like a bandage one? It feels like a bandage one. If you have one of these, if you can't open them, can you? And if you open it, put inside it and cover it. And we're gonna do it right now. Follow my Vinny. We're gonna make something else first. Now we're gonna roll it. Let's see it worked. It did work. Fill it. Can you see it? Okay, we're gonna put lines on there. We can make something. Okay? Bye. I will see you soon. We're gonna make this right away. We're gonna get a pen. Okay? Bye.